Looking for a reliable used sedan? Before you make a decision, you need to hear this. 3 popular models might not be the great deals they seem, but don't worry, we've also found 4 alternative sedans that deliver better reliability, safety, and performance. First up, the 2019 Kia Forte. On paper, it seems like the perfect budget-friendly option. Fuel efficient, affordable, and stylish, but if we dig a little deeper, we'll find some serious skeletons in the sedan's closet. Owners have reported major transmission issues including slippage, delayed acceleration, and sudden power loss. If you think you can just get it fixed, think again. A transmission replacement could set you back up to $4,000. That's enough to make you question if the deal was worth it. Let's say you already own a Forte, or maybe if the price is just too tempting. There's still hope. Regular transmission fluid changes and software updates can help prolong the life of the CVT transmission. Staying ahead of maintenance could help you dodge the worst of the issues. Also, make sure to get those brakes checked regularly. Kia issued a recall for over 1.6 million vehicles due to a brake fluid leak that could lead to an electrical short and even fire risk. That's not exactly the kind of heat that you want in your car. If you're after a reliable compact sedan that won't keep you up at night worrying about repair costs, the 2018 Toyota Corolla is a much safer bet. It's built to last, with many models crossing the 200,000-mile mark without breaking a sweat. Plus, Toyota's automatic transmission is a workhorse. None of the catastrophic failures we see in the Forte. Next up, the 2021 Volkswagen Jetta. This one is a bit of a heartbreaker. It's sleek, comfortable, and gives off that premium feel. But what good is all that if the car leaves you stranded? The 2021 Jetta has been plagued with recalls, including malfunctioning rear-view cameras and improperly secured front seats, both major safety concerns. And to make matters worse, some owners report engine stalling and fuel system malfunctions. Imagine cruising along, enjoying the ride, and suddenly, boom, your engine decides to take an unscheduled break. Now, let's say you've got a Jetta already. First, don't panic. Check in with your dealer for recall updates and consider fuel system cleanings a little more often. Using high-quality fuel can help prevent stalling and engine issues. And don't forget, routine inspections of the seat mounts and rear-view camera system. You don't want the driver's seat suddenly shifting mid-commute. If you love the Jetta's premium feel but want something that won't give you anxiety every time you start the engine, the 2016 Honda Accord is a fantastic alternative. It's spacious, fuel efficient, and known for its reliability. It's a much safer bet for anyone looking for a stress-free daily driver. Now, let's talk about the 2016 Nissan Altima. It's roomy, affordable, and it seems like a great deal until you realize what's lurking beneath the surface. The biggest issue is the transmission. Owners frequently report failures, delayed shifting, and jerky acceleration. When the transmission finally throws in the towel, you're looking at a replacement cost of nearly $4,000. And that's just the beginning. Poor interior quality means you'll be dealing with warping dashboards, fading cup holders, and peeling trim. That's not exactly the luxurious ride you had in mind. Now, if you're already behind the wheel of an Altima, don't worry, there are ways to delay the inevitable. Flushing the transmission fluid more frequently than Nissan recommends and using high-quality synthetic fluids can help extend its life. Since the interior materials aren't exactly top-notch, using UV protectant sprays and sunshades can help slow down the fading and peeling. It's not gonna make your Altima bulletproof, but it might buy you some time before costly repairs. Now, if you're looking for something just as affordable but actually reliable, the 2019 Toyota Camry Hybrid offers great fuel economy, high reliability ratings, and a more refined interior, all without the baggage that comes with the Altima. But here's the real twist. Could the best used sedan for 2025 actually be the 2016 Mazda 6? This car continues to turn heads for its reliability, safety, and design. It's got the accolades to prove it too. Best Tech Family Car, Car and Driver's Editor's Choice, and even a spot on Car and Driver's prestigious 10 Best list. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety also awarded it a top safety pick plus one equipped with smart brake support systems. So, what makes the Mazda 6 stand out? First, durability. It has a strong track record of longevity with minimal mechanical issues. Second, the driving experience. This isn't just another boring sedan. The Mazda 6 actually makes driving fun with its sporty handling and responsive engine. And third, the design. Years later, it still looks and feels like a premium vehicle. If you want a used sedan that checks all the right boxes, reliability, performance, and style, the Mazda 6 should be at the top of your list. Before you pull the trigger on any used car, here's some essential advice. Always check the vehicle history report through Carfax or AutoCheck to avoid buying someone else's problem. Get a pre-purchase inspection. Spending $100 to $150 now could save you thousands in repairs later. And avoid cars with a history of recalls, especially those with repeat safety issues. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration keeps a database of safety recalls and consumer complaints at NHTSA.gov. Trust me, it's worth the extra research. Even the most reliable cars need some TLC. Whether it's a Toyota Corolla, Honda Accord, or Mazda 6, staying on top of scheduled oil changes, checking tire pressure regularly, and making sure all software recalls are addressed will keep your ride in top shape for years to come. Looking for an SUV instead? We've got you covered. Tap the next video to find out which SUVs are actually worth your money.